Are you also having a solar water heating service? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your solar water heating service business. So here, as an owner of a solar water heating service, I'm receiving multiple WhatsApp messages from my customers and new clients related to the installation, service, prices, etc. Handling each of the inquiry manually, it was a time-consuming task, so I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, that too without any coding and programming skills. So I'm going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot that is going to handle all the WhatsApp messages and inquiries that I am receiving from my customers, and also going to automate the responses for me effortlessly in such a way that every time I am going to receive a new WhatsApp message from any of my client or customer, automatic reply is going to be sent to that same person. Now for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your solar water heating system supplier business. As a solar water heating system supplier, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp messages on regular basis regarding installation, duration, pricing, special quotation, much more. Handling each of the inquiry manually was a time-consuming task, so I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Connect. Okay. So I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, that is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool. So I am going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot, that too without any coding and programming skills, which is going to handle all the WhatsApp messages that I am receiving for my business on day-to-day basis. Also going to automate the responses according to the messages that I am receiving, that too 24/7. Before moving forward towards learning how to create this WhatsApp chatbot for our business, I'm going to first of all show you that how this chatbot is actually going to work. For that, I will take you towards WhatsApp, and here as a customer, I'm going to send a message on my number of Ecotherm Solar Solutions, the name of my business. Hello, please share your prices. As I've sent this message, you can see I got an instant reply. Hello, welcome to Ecotherm Solar Solutions. May I know your name? It is asking me my name, so let me provide it. Let's say test user. As I've sent my name, I got another reply with my name this time. Great test user. We are here to help you with reliable and efficient solar watering heating systems. How can we assist? We have multiple options. So let's say I'm going to select product info. First of all, a customer can get the information about the products they are selling. And here it is asking us, would you like to explore more? If I'm going to click on view models. So here I got the models and also the link where I can place the order for them. If I'm going to click on request a quote, for according to my personalized requirements, it is asking me my email. Let me provide my email over here, a random email. Okay, here it is providing me, here it is asking me the property type. So here I'm going to tell them the property, let's say apartment. Then it is asking me my city. So I've provided city as well. And now it is saying, thank you, we'll soon send you your personalized quotation for all types of models. So in this way, the flow is actually going to work, and it is going to respond to the customers, also going to collect the details. These details which the bot is collecting from the customers are going to be automatically added in contact section of Pabbly Chatflow. So now we are going to learn how to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by ourselves, that too step by step. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we need to type pabbly.com/chatflow, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in option. This is all apps section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. It is going to now take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here on the dashboard, we can find the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, and the remaining credits in our account. Also the WhatsApp number that we have added. To add your WhatsApp number, we have to click on this add WhatsApp number button. We have two methods, WhatsApp connect method and manual token connect method. For both these methods, we have already created separate tutorials. You can just go and watch the videos from our YouTube channel. I'm also going to attach the link of both the videos in the description of my video, so it is going to be helpful for you. All right, if you are adding more than one WhatsApp number in your account, you can also save the number separately by creating separate folders over here in the folders section by clicking on this plus sign. Okay. Now, apart from creating chatbots and flows for our business, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow, such as inbox, contact section, team queues, templates, broadcast, AI assistant, activity log, settings, and get help. Okay, so we have created separate detailed tutorial videos for each of these features. They are uploaded on our YouTube channel. So if you want to learn about any of the feature, just go and watch it from our YouTube channel. Okay, now I'm going to create a new flow in front of you. That means a new chatbot. For that, let's go towards our flow section. So these are all the flows I have created for separate purposes. We have some active flows and inactive as well. Now we are going to click on this add flow button. A blank flow is created in front of you, which we have to prepare. So you have to keep in mind that the bot that we are going to create for our business is going to be totally based on the flow that we are going to prepare over here, because the flow is going to decide chronological orders of the messages that is to be sent by the bot to the customers on the basis of their response. And in this way, our bot is actually going to work. So first of all, I'm going to give a name to my bot as WhatsApp chatbot for your solar water heating system supplier business. After giving this name to my flow, now first of all I will have to decide that how I want my flow to start. Either I can select some keywords that when I'm going to receive certain keywords related to my business, such as solar, heat, water, supplier, services, etc. These are the keywords. When I'm going to receive them, then my flow should start. So I can add these words and keywords. Okay, or I can enter a regex over here that is going to help me that every time I'm going to receive any kind of message, whether it is a specific keyword, a sentence, paragraph, or even a symbol, my flow should start. So here I'm going to use a specific regex, which is regular expressions that helps us to identify the messages that we are receiving from our customers or client side and start our flow automatically. So the regex which I am going to use is this. Okay, after starting the flow, first of all I will have to collect the name of my customer or my client. To collect the name, I'm going to use ask question step over here. I will drag it down and I will connect it with my flow start. And the message which I'm going to send is, hello, welcome to Ecotherm Solar Solutions. May I know your name? To collect the name, I'm going to use contact custom field to make the data dynamic and automatically use the same name in order to communicate further to my customers in personalized format. Here I will select text as the format, and if you want to provide the number of reattempt chances, you can enter the number and validation message over here. Okay. Now, how you're going to select contact custom field? For that, you can see we have left side, here we have settings, and here we have contact custom fields. When you're going to open it in a new tab, you will be able to select all the fields that you want to collect from your customers and automatically add them in your contact section inside Pabbly Chatflow, inside contact custom field. Okay, now further I'm going to send them the message as I'm going to receive their name along with a button. Okay, so text plus button I have selected, and I'm going to send them the message as great. And here I'm going to use contact custom field along with a $sign to make the data dynamic and use the name automatically as soon as I'm going to receive the reply. I've also made the name bold by adding the stars like this. And now here I'm going to enter great full name. We are here to help you with reliable and efficient solar water heating systems. How can we assist you today? And I'm going to provide them some buttons that they can select that what they want. First button is going to be product info. The second button is going to be for if they want to request a code regarding their custom requirement, or if they want to talk to support. We have three options over here. First is product info. If the persons click on product info, so I'm going to send them a message as along with a pamphlet. So I'm going to use media message over here, and the media type is going to be image. Either you can enter your media URL over here, or you can directly insert it from your computer as well. I'm going to insert it from my computer, the pamphlet of my solar services. After uploading the image over here, I'm going to enter the caption as, would you like to explore more? And if they are going to, and here I'm going to provide a button to them. After reading about the product and specialities, they can select their decision. They can view models. Okay, if they want to view model, or if they want to go back. If they want to go back, I will directly connect this button with the main option. If they want to view the model, so I'm going to send them the details regarding that. Okay, in a text plus button format. Here are our top solar heating system models. Here we have Ecotherm Compact 200 liter, Ecotherm Premium, and Ecotherm Industrial for 1000 liter. Learn more. So if they want to place the order, if they want to learn more about any of the other products and the price, they can just click on this hyperlink. It will redirect them towards our store. Okay, after reading these details, if they want to book a demo, so I'm going to attach a button for booking a demo. If they are going to click on this book a demo button, so then I'm going to collect their details. Okay. So after reading these details and about the products and the models, if they want to request a code, so I'm going to attach a button over here for requesting a code, and then I'm going to collect their details if they're going to click on this button. First of all, their email address. Great, let's generate a quick code for you. Please share your following details. First of all, email, okay? And here, because I want to collect the email, so here I'm going to send them a message and I will collect their details. First of all, for that I'm going to send them a question so that I can collect their emails. The message is going to be, great, let's generate a quick code for you. Please share the following details. First of all, I want to collect their email. So I've selected contact custom field and the type over here is going to be email. And then I want to collect their type of property. Okay. So again, I'm going to select ask a question and I'm going to connect it with my previous step. And then I'm going to enter type of property. And the contact custom field is going to be house type, and also here we have text as our format. Then the third I want is their city. Please share your city, and here I want to collect their city. So I've selected city as the contact custom field, and also here we have text. Okay. Now, as I'm going to receive these details, so further I'm going to send them a message as thank you. Thank you. We'll soon send you your personalized quotation for all types of model. Okay, this is the message. Now, my flow is ready up till here. Let's save it so that we can make it updated. And now we are going to move forward towards the next. If they are going to again click on the button request a code. So I'm going to again simply connect this button with the same message and it is going to continue the flow. If they want to talk to the support, so I'm going to send them a separate message. In that case, that is going to be no problem. Our Solar expert will reach out to you shortly. So my flow is ready. Now I'm going to save the flow and now I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp. We will check whether the flow that we have created is properly working or not. So now as we have created the flow, first of all, I will take you towards WhatsApp now. So here I have one WhatsApp and you can see that this is the WhatsApp number of Ecotherm Solar Solutions, my business. And as a customer, I'm going to send a message on this business. Hi, I need your service. As I've sent this message, you can see we got the reply. This means our flow is actually working fine. So in the similar manner, you can also very easily create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your business. Not only this, if you want to collect the details like this as I am collecting and send the details automatically to any other application such as to your team members on Google Chat Space or in your Google Sheets or through emails or in your CRM, you can also do that by using Pabbly Connect. Okay. So I hope this WhatsApp chatbot is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching.
Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.